There are many products available to choose the best plasma cutters reviews, each with different characteristics. I conducted in-depth research, read a ton of reviews, and prepared a list of the best plasma cutters reviews from respected manufacturers to assist you in making an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. 1. YESWELDER FIRSTESS CT2050 Powerful 7-in-1 Welder and Cutter. The YESWELDER FIRSTESS CT2050 is an excellent 7-in-1 multi-process welder that combines welding and plasma cutting. Therefore, besides cutting, you can also use this machine for TIG welding delicate metals, making it an all-around choice in your small shop. CT2050 is a dual-voltage welder with built-in PFC technology that allows it to work with a broad 96 to 265 volts input. Even though this is a dual-voltage cutter, it shows the best results when plugged into a 220 volts outlet. At 220 volts, the YESWELDER CT2050 is rated at 12 to 45 amps and 1225 amps at 110 volts. I was surprised with the 100% duty cycle rated at the maximum output, meaning you can use longer cuts. As a result, you can cut dirty, painted, or rusty metals without damaging the consumables. The torch is comfortable, but the provided consumables will keep you going only for a while. Besides plasma cutting, Connecticut 2050 is capable of AC/DC TIG, pulse TIG, and stick welding. 2. Hypertherm PowerMax 3088079 Plasma Cutter. Hypertherm plasma machines are high-quality heavy-duty units, and thus Hypertherm PowerMax 30's price reflects that. However, advanced features distinguish it from cheap plasma cutter, which makes it one of the favorites. This cutter offers a dual input voltage, as you would expect. PowerMax 30 XP is exceedingly lightweight, and it comes with a very long torch lead of 15 feet. The power supply provides excellent cutting capacity for a 1/4 of an inch steel plate, and you get very good quality cuts from it. Still, this is a high-quality plasma cutter for light fabrication jobs and projects. For industrial use, we recommend the Big Brother, Hypertherm PowerMax 45. 3. ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 Plasma Cutter, Beginner-Friendly Cutter. ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 is a portable plasma cutter that combines decent quality, good cutting performance, and affordable price. The perfect combination makes it an excellent value plasma cutter for beginners and occasional users looking for a proper machine without breaking the bank. For convenient plasma cutting, you get everything you need to cut metal straight out of the box. The plasma cutting torch is durable and comfortable, and I liked the 16 feet long leads. However, the biggest surprise is the pre-installed air pressure regulator. You get one with most plasma cutters on our list, but you usually have to install it manually, which can be troublesome for beginners. In addition, touching the base metal provides more precise cutting, but it damages the torch consumables, especially when working with rusty or painted metals. 4. Eastwood VersaCut 40 Plasma Cutter, Editor's Pick. VersaCut 40 is yet another great hobbyist, auto restoration, and light fabrication plasma cutting machine perfected by Eastwood. This plasma cutter works at both 110 volts/220 volts input to run, and the unit requires 5 to 7 cfm of air at 60 pounds per square inch. With the provided versatility, you can use this metal cutting machine at your garage, home, farm, ranch, or remote job site location. Even though Eastwood is a US-based company, VersaCut 40 is manufactured overseas, precisely in China. Nonetheless, manufacturers are following company specs and standards during the assembly, meaning you get a reliable unit. Reliability is proven by a 3-year warranty, which is huge in the hobbyist market. Overall, you get a decent and cheap plasma cutter for the money spent. Luckily, the torch is compatible with regular consumables you can find at your local welding shop. 5. Hobart 500,566 AirForce 40i 240V Plasma Cutter, Powerful Hobbyist Cutter. Hobart is one of the big players in the welders market, and the Hobart 40i plasma cutter's price range reflects this. However, it cuts mild steel at 7/8 of an inch at 50% duty cycle at a speed faster than an oxy torch. Among plasma cutters, this is a serious tool worth your consideration. Keep in mind that the older AirForce 40i's were a 240 volts only machine rather than a 110V 220V dual voltage plasma cutter, meaning you should get a proper power source installed, which is expensive. However, the latest improvements feature the characteristic Hobart MVP plug, meaning you can use both 110 volts/220 volts power options. The Hobart AirForce 40i is one of the best plasma cutters that I've tested, and I really like the fact that the airflow is designed to conserve air as much as possible. Thanks.